Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT R19 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now we have to reach the sound option. Let's tap on it. It should appear right under the display. Now let's scroll down, tap on advanced, and as you can see right here we've got the section with the ringtone. So here we can change the ringtone for calls, which is, let's say, the very first option, but also for the notifications and the alarms. It will work the same for all of those options. So let me show you how to do it using the phone ringtone. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, after tapping on it and we've been immediately transferred, this window with defaultly installed ringtones simply pops out. What's more, at the very top of it we've got the option none, which means simply that after picking it, your device won't notify you about the incoming call. And on the other hand, if we will scroll down to the very bottom, we've got add ringtone option, which means that after tapping on it, we will be transferred to our own files. As you can see, for example, downloaded, we can pick something from the audio, from the SD card, downloads, the drive. Here we can also choose the folders. So it means that if you've got some music, for example, downloaded from the internet, and if it is compatible, then it will appear right here and you will be able to pick it and set it as a ringtone. But let me get back to the defaultly installed ringtones, and if you'd like to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it and you will be able to hear it, as I hope you can hear right now. So simply find the one you like the most, and if you'd like to set particular ringtone, for example, let's say this one, just make sure that it is marked like here and tap on OK. And as you can see, after getting back, you can see that it is notified right here that you just chose this ringtone, and from this moment your device will use it in order to notify you about the incoming call. And of course it will work the same with the notifications and the alarms. So actually this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your CUBOT R19. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.